Hello, I'm Jonathan Marin.
And I'm Jamie Cabrera.
Today we're going to give you an update of the last session that we couldn't finish because of time constraint. We had 2 points pending. So the first one was to get a photo and to give it the proper attributions. So the first thing you gotta do is to go to flickr.com, and then you're gonna type in this search box the topic that you're talking about, something related to your passions. For example, one of my passions is cars, especially the Corvette. So I'm gonna type here Corvette cars. I'm gonna hit enter, and it is gonna give me a lot of Corvette cars. But remember what we told you about the copyrights. So we're gonna go to this drop down menu, and instead of any license, you're gonna choose all Creative Commons. Now I have a lot of more suitable options to choose from without the fear of the copyrights. So I'm gonna go down and try to choose one that is appealing for me. For example, this one, I like this one. I'm gonna choose it, and then I'm gonna go to this arrow. I'm gonna download it. But it offers me a lot of size options. My personal preference is medium, so I'm gonna go to medium, and it automatically download. Then I'm gonna open it, and I'm gonna go to file and copy. Then I'm gonna go to my Word document, and I'm gonna hit right click and paste it. I'm gonna enlarge it a little bit because it was a little bit small.
Remember to use the corners to enlarge your pictures if you don't want it to be distorted.
Okay, good. So after that, we're gonna go back to the picture, and Jamie is gonna explain to you the next steps.
Okay, if you scroll down a little bit, you're gonna find on the right corner at the bottom the rights of this picture, or the license. So if you hit click here in the link, you go to the Creative Commons website, and you're gonna see what kind of attribution or license it has. So this one has attribution, no commercial, no derivatives. So you can copy that. You highlight it and right click, copy. Then you go to the Word document, and you're gonna write. Remember to use this drop down menu to put your picture there in a way that you can move freely in the text. So I like it in front of the text, so you can keep clicking and having more space to write. Now you're gonna write here the owner of the picture, so you can write taken by. You go back to the Flickr website, and you see that the owner is this person, R.A. Kilmer. So you highlight the text, right click, copy, go to your document, right click and paste it. Just make sure to make it keep text only, because it will use the URL, so you don't need it for now. So write the owner, and retrieved from flickr.com under, and then you paste. I'm gonna go back because I have another thing copied. So you go back to Creative Commons, copy the license, you go to the Word document, and you paste what you just copied. Remember to use just keep text so it doesn't mess up with the format. License, and then you have all the data you need to if someone needs to know where the picture was retrieved from, who took the picture. So then you're going to insert a bubble text to say anything you want to say about your picture. So you go to insert, and then you go to shapes, and all the way down you find callouts. You can use any other shapes you want, but I want to use this one. So you see this cross. So when you click, hold the click, and you drag to the right and down. You can make it as big as you want. And then here you're gonna write anything you want to say about the picture, like this is my favorite car. When you write it, you highlight the whole text and you go back to home. You can find here the drop down menu with all the fonts. So you're gonna choose the one you want to have in your text. Oops. I'm gonna choose Broadway. Oops. Don't let it go. You have to have it highlighted if you want the text to change. And I'm gonna change also the color. So you see this icon with the A and the red line under it. So I wanna choose one that shows up in front of that background, because the background is blue. And then if you want, you can also change the background. So you hit double click, so you can have the options up here. I don't want it with that blue background, so I'm gonna choose another one, and I'm gonna choose the green one. And like that you can move it wherever you want to have your text.
That's the update of the pending activity that we had. Then we're gonna choose the hyperlink. We're gonna go to create a hyperlink for the name for the person who did this. So you're gonna go to the Flickr page, and you're gonna hit one click in the
whole URL.
So you're gonna go to Control-C, and then you're gonna go, that copies, and you're gonna go back to the Word document. You're gonna highlight the name of the person, and then you're gonna go
right click,
and then get a hyperlink, and this is the text that's going to be displayed, and this is going to address that it's going to be on directed to. So you're going to write Control-V, and you're going to hit OK. So then here you have your hyperlink for your picture. So I think that's it. I hope this can be useful. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.